Guys, honestly, ChatGPT has literally changed the game forever. The thing is that you need to understand is it is more powerful right now than ever, and it can create many different types of digital products from AI designs to these printables. And I have done many videos on this. And guys, if you are interested in more videos of making money through digital products and AI, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. But listen, when you do go to ChatGPT, you will see a lot of things on the side now. If you go to explore GPTs, if I click that first of all, just so you understand what I mean, you will see that ChatGPT has lots and lots of apps, right? So you can see that Canva, which is a massive, huge one, which I spoke about a lot, which is a fantastic design platform. You can actually work through ChatGPT, which connects to these apps, right? So it's almost like a hub that connects to everything right now. So you've got design ones like these image generators as well. Look, fantastic image generators, which it connects to. You've got Canva, which can do these fantastic printables. You've got logo creators. You've got video AI. You got lots of things, and it does break it down also into different sections. So you can do things like coloring book hero, where you can actually create coloring book images with using this fantastic app which connects to ChatGPT directly. You got DALI, which is your image generator, and lots and a lot more below. Writing apps which will help you kind of, humanize or write better. Like I said, more image generators, photorealistic ones. And how it works is you literally can connect to all of these through just a click of a button, right? It's all there. And let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if I just type in, let's say, Canva, right? Canva is a really cool one. And then obviously it will open it up for me if I click Canva there. And then I can say start the chat. So the chat is going to be connected to Canva now. Now this is going to be a Canva chat. And I might say just create a habit tracker. Yeah, habit tracker. Keeping it simple. Habit tracker. Okay, click enter. And now what it's going to do is it's just going to say, start your creative journey. And then what it does is ask what kind of vibe I want, what kind of style of habit tracker, which is cool. So I might say minimalist, just to keep it simple. It's good that it's asking you what kind of style I want it. And now it's a bit, you need to talk to ChatGPT. Canva wants to talk to ChatGPT plugin. So you say allow. And then once you allow that connection for ChatGPT to talk to Canva, Canva will then produce it for you and feed it into ChatGPT, which will then give you the template or the tracker that you want. So here you go. Here's some minimalist types that I've requested, which are going to be coming out right now. And then it's going to produce them for me. Look, here's one type. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. So it'll produce a few different habit trackers. And then what happens is you can click on it and literally go into Canva. So once I click on it, I can then edit it in Canva. So actually what happens is that is the job of ChatGPT. It's kind of almost like introduced it, brought it in, and then Canva will send that information to ChatGPT, the templates or whatever it is that you've requested. And then you go back into Canva to do any editing, and then it will be the same for anything else. So I can go to image generator and click an image generator, which is connected to ChatGPT. And I could say create an English landscape. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail with a farm in watercolor style. Okay. And I'll click enter. And then obviously it might ask me a question. Use this for a website, print, social media, or just for fun. I'm just going to say I just want it I'll say for print. What do I want it for? Print. I like the way ChatGPT asks extra questions because there are things that maybe you need to clarify, and it kind of knows what to ask as well. So I've said that I want it for print. Now, the thing about this is you got to remember that you need to have signed in to that particular app. So at the minute, it's asking me a prompt to sign in. So any of the ones that it shows you, you kind of have to have signed in already to it. So like I said, this is only kind of a way of bridging between the platform and ChatGPT. It's not ChatGPT that's producing it. It's the actual app or the platform producing it, and then is fed back in through ChatGPT, right? So any of these exploration, or when you click explore to the GPTs, like you see here, you need to have logged into it or have an account with it as such. But like I said, ChatGPT has its own thing, there's own connection. So I can obviously also create an image just through ChatGPT without actually going to the apps or the Explore apps and say, create a landscape with a farm in watercolor, and then click submit. Now this will be this way I'm going directly through ChatGPT, and it's going to be ChatGPT that produces this AI design for me. So there's a few ways of doing this. You can explore the GPTs or the apps, and you can click on one, and you can, as long as you're subscribed to it yourself, you can sort of create things through ChatGPT, which will connect to that particular app and produce it for you and bring it in. Or there's also the direct way of doing things, which is you can create, for example, AI designs directly with ChatGPT without a third party as such, or your preferred third party, you know. But you can obviously, check out any of these apps, and as long as you kind of sign into those, then it would link with ChatGPT. And there you go. See, image created, exactly what I wanted. I can always add more to it, change it, whatever it is. And it does have that power and that facility to do that too. Now, there are so many other things that it can do. It can even create custom designs for you, digital products, and I've done videos on it. But I will show you very quickly right now. If I go to the plus sign and I go to upload from my computer, and then I'll choose an image. I'm going to just choose a portrait, which I've done before. But let me just choose something now very quickly. Okay, so what I've done is I've uploaded a dog image, a pet image. And even through this, I can create different types of digital products. Like I can say that make this photo into a coloring page design. Okay, so I've uploaded a photo. And again, you can do this even straight from a prompt, but it just shows you how you can even transform photos. And this is your sort of custom personalized bit, which people do sell on things like Etsy, on platforms like Etsy, where they get a photo and they transform it of the pet into a painted version, a Renaissance Victorian version, a line drawing version, or even a coloring page, which are sold on the Etsy platform, and people make money from this. Do check out my other videos and my playlist on how to do this. And right now it's going to generate and change this dog photo, hopefully, into a coloring page style. And guys, if you do want videos about how to create digital products through AI, then do comment below and say digital products, and I'll get more videos like this for you. Okay, so check it out. You can see that it's done it in this sort of coloring page style. You can obviously delete the background, make it into a white background, obviously just like a coloring page. You can say make the background white and bold, thick lines for image outline. Okay, click enter, click submit. Okay, so you can see how this is really transformed into a really cool image, line drawing image or coloring page image, done really, really quickly. Honestly, this is just so easy to do, which is literally transforming a real life photo into a realistic looking coloring page. And like I said, guys, it really is simple to do. And it's just using a few words, few prompts. I haven't gone into a lot of detail, made it too complicated. It really is simple to do. And then all I need to do is download these, make sure that they got high resolution, upscaled, and then downloaded in the right format to sell to the customer. And that is it, guys. ChatGPT has literally taken over and can do anything for you right now. So if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.